MagDesk range, we've got the Mag Sharp and the Mag Stationery. So what we do is we install these very strong Neo magnets flush to the desk, and then we put a washer here, and then the children have their own sharpening container at their table. This avoids all the children gathering by the bin and chatting when they shouldn't be, and it also stops all those sharpenings from going all over the floor. So they've got their own sharpening container. Here we like to keep our children's stationery in a tin that we've had specially made, so it's got flat bottom and doesn't have a rim, and then we've got a magnet on the other side. This allows the children's stationery to be easily accessible all the time, and as you want to move from individual work that's facing the board into group work, you can pick up the desk and move it around and things don't fall over the floor.